Today we are going to make bread pakora. For that we need half cup of besan, little water, chopped onion, chili, coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, oil and bread. First put besan in the bowl. Then put chopped onion in the bowl. Then put chili in the bowl. Then put coriander leaves in the bowl. Then put soda in the bowl. Then put salt in the bowl. Then pour water in it. Mix it well. Then heat the gas. Then put 2 teaspoons oil. Put the bread in the mixture and fry. Then again put lettuce. Then turn like this. Now our bread pakora is ready. Our bread pakora is ready. Now serve it hot with the sauce.